You did a great job of it. Like, I can't compliment you enough, because last week you felt that feeling of, all right, I'm being a little aggressive. I'm taking
Yeah,
setups that aren't the best. Let me
yeah,
reel this in. And not only did you reel it in, but it's like the trading universe rewarded you for doing that. You did
yeah.
it well. So it's like, listen, Lindsay, you're doing the rules right. Here you go. Have all of the,
Yeah.
have all the wealth. You know what I mean? And
Uh-huh.
I think that's just how the universe works. When I think if you follow the rules right, you're going to get paid. But I'm really glad that we are able to continue to do these videos for people, because a lot of people, I think, are getting just discouraged from the idea of trading just because they aren't following rules. You
Yeah.
have been, I think, one of the best traders in our group at, okay, here's a rule, I'm going to follow it. You don't let yourself sway. So when we do these videos and when you and I have our conversations, I always want people to take that away more than anything. If you're trying to implement, and you're trying to pull an 8% week like Lindsay is, notice the first thing is always she follows rules the best. When she
Yeah.
sees something that needs to change in her system, she adjusts and she applies that rule going forward. She is not questioning in it. Sometimes she might win, sometimes she might lose. She doesn't change her rules, and that's like the kicker. But it
Yeah.
starts with you, like you just said, not really caring as much. You still care, I know you do, but you don't care as much about the outcome of one trade.
No,
I,
I
I think
don't.
I
I am by that. Like, and even, my hubby and I can notice it here that I used to be so emotional when I first started out, but I knew that, and I see it in the community. There's so many people that their emotions get to them, but I knew if I wanted to go and have success and evolve, I had to get over it. I had to work
right.
on that mindset to totally leave the emotions at the door. So it's like you say, it's not that I don't care, but I very
But
much
you
am
know you
just
have
so
to leave it
focused on the
outside.
process. And no matter the outcome of the trade, win or lose, I'm in the process of growing and evolving in my journey.
But you got a taste of it already. That's the key. And that's what I
Yeah,
want people to understand. You got a taste of, this is a system. And if I just ignore the rules, I'm going to win more times than not. And I'm going to grow my account. You've tasted that now.
yeah,
It's hard to explain that to people before they
it
taste it.
is.
So hopefully
Mm-hmm.
today's video and all of our other videos, if you haven't seen them, you guys can go check them out. Hopefully all of this gets you a little bit closer to tasting that feeling of, yeah, I want to trade to make money. I want to become financially free and independent. That's why I'm doing this. But at the same time, I know I can't care about the money in order to actually consistently grow. I need to just trade the best trades and follow the best
Yeah,
rules possible. So for everybody that's listening, Lindsay, I'm going to put your Instagram and your Calendly link down in the description.
yeah.
So everybody hit Lindsay up. She's totally available. I know she's busy, but I'm going to keep saying she's available for one-on-one calls with you guys. I know a lot of people have been finding value in that. You can go to her Instagram and check out the testimonials. People are always saying great stuff about her. I can never say enough great stuff about her. And honestly, if you are struggling, she's someone who's going to really listen to you and try her best to point you in the right direction. The reason I wanted her to be a coach with us, and I'm so grateful that she is because she does the same thing that I do. She never tells anyone, go do this, go do that, she just asks questions and tries to bring you to a different perspective. And the traders in our group are finding a ton of value in it. So if you're listening and you want to take her up on it, link down in the description. But Lindsay, thank you as always. Congratulations
Thank
on the
you.
great week. Keep it
Thanks.
up and let's finish it strong.
Yeah, excited.